All finished, so out of the oven right at about an hour. Now keep in mind we did have 6 chicken breasts in there that were cut in half, so definitely a heavy load here. Welcome back, everybody, and those of you that are new, welcome for the first time. My name is Kyle, and today we're cooking a banger. We are doing green chili chicken. So we're going to go ahead and use some chicken breasts, some store-bought chicken breasts. We've got some fresh green chilies that we went ahead and peeled. We'll show you exactly how to put those together, what temp to cook them at, and how we season them. But before I start dealing with all this dirty chicken, let's go ahead and take our immunity shot. If you haven't seen that video, I'll go ahead and link it right up here. Those are immunity shots. We take one a day, prevent sickness, boost your immune system. I've got 6 chicken breasts here. I'll cut all of those in half and then dump it in a 9x13 pan. Did put a little bit of oil in the bottom so they don't stick. So I'll get that finished and then we'll check back. And just for reference, when I said cut in half, I'm going to cut through the thick part, kind of butterfly it like that. So I'll go ahead and finish that cut, but I'm going to cut all 6 of them that way and then drop them in our pan. My partner in crime's already begging for a taste test, and we haven't even started assembling everything yet. So Thor, hang tight, buddy. We'll be with you in just a few, my guy. Happy boy. Okay, all 6 chicken breasts are cut in half, as you can see. Now it's time to take the green chilies, and I'll do a layer on top here, and then I'll do a layer right in the middle on all 6 chicken breasts. All right, all layered up with green chilies. Next step, hit it with a bit of salt and pepper over the entire thing. And some black pepper. Just a light coating, not too much. Next step, I'm going to concoct the mixture here. So I am doubling the recipe since we have so many chicken breasts. To start out, we're going to do 2 8-ounce blocks of Philadelphia cream cheese into a bowl. Second ingredient, 1 teaspoon of granulated garlic. Next ingredient, half a teaspoon of ground cumin. Half a teaspoon of onion powder. Optional ingredient, little splash of Creole. If you like Creole, add it. If you don't, then don't add it. We like Creole in this house, so just a little splash. That's all it takes. Half a teaspoon black pepper. And final ingredient, half a teaspoon of salt. We use Himalayan. You can use whatever you prefer at home. Now use all that elbow grease and get that sucker nice and mixed up. Quick tip, if you're mixing up this mixture and you just bought the cream cheese and it's cold, you can always put on a pair of gloves, mix it up with your hands. If you mix it cold, it's going to be really hard. You want to leave the cream cheese on the counter so it warms up and softens up. That way it's a heck of a lot easier to mix. Tip of the day. With the cream cheese mixture, we want to put a nice thin layer on top of all the chicken breasts. Not in the middle, just on the top. So do a nice even layer around the top. The reason we cut the chicken breasts in half is it cooks a lot faster and a lot easier if it's cut in half. If you leave them whole, they tend to cook well, but they come out a little bit dry. So if you cut them in half, it makes it a heck of a lot easier. So go ahead and throw a nice layer on top and we'll be back. Okay, finished with that piece. Nice layer of the cream cheese mixture on each chicken breast. Next step, 2 cups of Monterey Jack cheese. Now keep in mind, this recipe is doubled because we have so many chicken breasts. So if you want to make a single, take everything I've done and cut it in half. So we've got 2 cups of Monterey Jack cheese. Spread a nice even layer throughout the entire thing. Boom. We have the oven at 375 degrees. And we'll go ahead and pop this heavy old dish into the oven. Once it's finished, we'll go ahead and give you a final bake time on a doubled recipe. While that's in the oven baking, I just wanted to say I really appreciate every single one of you that watch my videos. If you can do me a favor and leave a comment down below, it really helps boost the algorithm and get my channel and my video out to other people to enjoy these fine recipes that we put together and spend so much time doing. So Appreciate everybody sticking around this far. We'll get a final cook time once we pop it out of the oven and get a little color check on it and a taste test from Mr. Thor. All finished, so out of the oven right at about an hour. Now keep in mind we did have 6 chicken breasts in there that were cut in half, so definitely a heavy load here. I'd say anywhere between 30 to 45 minutes on maybe 2 or 3 chicken breasts, but keep in mind again, this recipe is doubled. So right at about 1 hour exactly. So we'll let this cool down and get a taste test and see what Mr. Thor thinks. This is one of my absolute favorite non-game dishes. So look at that nice crispy top on the cheese there on top of the chicken breast. So again, I'll let this cool down and we'll give Thor a taste test. Taste test time for the boss. What do you think of cream cheese, green chili chicken, buddy? Mikey likes it. He's coming back for more. Check that out. Your chicken, your cheese, your green chilies. That is so damn good. Well, I'm going to finish my dinner. Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate it. Again, if you'll go ahead and leave a comment down below, help really boost the algorithm, get my videos out to other people. If you've been here from the beginning and the middle, again, I appreciate you. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you all on the flip side.